This is already the part where our candidates have to show their personalities to all of us. Have to let us know who they are and have to share to us the things that they stand for in life. It's either they can make it or they can break it in this competition. And I am talking about our question and answer portion. Maybe I can request an extra mic and, of course, a handsome chairperson to be right here with me. Alright, so our candidates will pick a roll paper in the box. I don't know if that's a box. In the bowl that you are holding. And then in there are the names of our judges. And I suppose our judges have been preparing their questions also. So I hope you are ready, judges. Girls, I hope you're ready. And of course, before we start our Q&A, mukhang yun ang midamay, no? Ako sa mga story atong candidates, before we shout, before we cheer, or before we say anything. Is that understood? Alright. Thank you, teacher. Thank you very much, and I expect you all to participate. Let's start off with our first candidate. Let's have candidate number 5. Alright, do we still have time for a small chica, or we're on a fast track already? Small chica? Okay, so they are right on time but on fast. How are you, candidate number 5?
I'm hungry.
This is definitely part of the Shawalanga, and you'll have to really aguanta that because you've bagged more than how many awards already?
Yeah.
So, deserve na ko natin mo. Pipilit man yung mga makapita. And now let's pick a judge.
Judge number 4.
Judge number 4 is our chairman of the Board of Judges, Sir Carlo. Sorry, I was instructed by the committee to have you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I believe that's Sir Carlo. Right. Is there another microphone we can lend our judge to? Oh, wala pa. For the meantime, let's just ask our candidate number 5. What do you want to eat after the competition?
Alberto, wala ko may abdel Alberto ko Mama. Mama, baka naman.
Ay, maka-Albertos. Meron Albertos man eh. Di man kanon. Pizza sa mga. Italian like a friend.
Italian food.
About ano? So hang in there because mamahal kita kaumanan nyo. Kasi naipalibre ako ang committee. Maybe I can lend my microphone for the meantime to our judge. Alright, right in there. Take it away, Sir Carlo.
Great, good evening, candidate number 5.
Good evening to the chairman of the Board of Judges.
You look so virgin tonight.
Oh, not good.
Alright, maybe we can get back to the real question part.
Alright, so I prepared 2 questions. Please pick a number 1 or 2. Okay, I'll pick number 2. Okay, so you just have to choose one word from the 2 words that I'm going to give you. Here it is. Spit or swallow. Again. Philippines, you want?
Walang
Okay, again. Spit or swallow?
swallow.
Why?
Pilit ka makagamtam o Makot? Oh, di ba ako ako? Huwag yung unang-unang. Di ba kami, parang mo kaunta o ka ng malamihan na sudan. Ngayon dito, sarap. That's all, thank you.
Marami malikit. Nakuha kita ko sa pangalan na sir. Oo, may expect. But anyways, to all our children right in here, gusto all of you napakabusog na, no? No green things in our mind right in here. Do we follow our next candidate? Candidate number 2. Our face of the night. Hi, candidate number 2.
Hello.
How does it feel to be a part of the top 7?
I didn't expect. I just enjoyed the show and I was so inspired because there's
She's nice. And someone na-inspired.
secret.
Mga secret. Sige, I want you now to pick a judge from our magic bowl right in there. Sige, maybe you can give it to me. We have our judge number 3, Sir Victor Canela.
Okay, good evening, candidate number 2.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, you are inspired by him, right? So, I guess you are in love. So my question would be, what is your opinion about same-sex relationship?
As a multifaceted person, we can do all things in a genuine manner. In my opinion about same-sex marriage, it is one of the rampant issues, especially here in the Philippines. And I think it's okay to have a partner, a same gender with you, as long as your intention and love is pure and sincere. I think the building so much.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. What an ecstatic answer she has. Full of power. We now have our next candidate number 6. Good evening, candidate number 6. How are you? How much is the diamond in your forehead? I wish I could borrow that after the show.
No, you can't just come.
Now let's pick a judge. Maybe I can read it for you. Judge number 5, Sir Mark Romeo.
Okay, so good evening, candidate number 6.
Good evening, Josh.
Okay, so you look so beautiful today.
Thank you.
So this is my question. What does beauty mean to you? Again, what does beauty mean to you?
Well, for me, beauty is not about the physical aspect. It's about how you treat people, how you connect with people, and I think that's beauty for me. Thank you so much.
Quite a straightforward answer right in there, candidate number 6. Thank you very much. Next up, we have candidate number, our best in evening gown. Who is your hair inspired to?
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My hair inspired is my best friend, Daniel McKay de la Cruz.
Oh, I know Mateo. So she's a very pageantera. Alright, I want you to pick your judge right now. We have judge number 6, Mr. Justin Imagos.
Good evening, candidate number 8.
Good evening, Judge number 6.
So here's your question. What is your message to young people who are struggling to stay true to themselves in the face of challenges and determination? Again, what is your message to young people who are struggling to stay true to themselves in the face of challenges and determination?
Well, maayong nabili sa tanan. Well, ang akong message sa mga kapatid karon, ayaw ka mo sa ginatawag nga pag say suko or laban for me sa kinabuhi. Kaya ginoo ka tatawag ka na ito. Dahil salamat.
Thank you very much, candidate number 8. We have our best in runway right here, candidate number 12. Hello.
Hello.
Kamusta?
I'm okay. I'm alright.
Isa na ginaanan mo earrings, ako lagi tayo.
Never gotta.
Alright, I hope you're enjoying candidate number 12. Now I wanted to pick a judge. Alright, we have judge number 7, Miss Jessica Silas.
Alright. Good evening, candidate number 12. And to you as well, good evening. Alright, so are you ready for your question? Yes, alright. So, here's your question. What advice would you give to young transgender individuals who are struggling with their identity? Again, what advice would you give to young transgender individuals who are struggling with their identity? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before I answer the question, I would like to say thank you so much for our SC chairman to support our pastor and President Archina Lasconia. Thank you so much. I'm not expecting here tonight that the people here in this body of early is what I'm hospitable. Thank you. Okay, so my question, my answer goes like this. My advice for transgender women for struggling gender crisis, I will use it in the Bisaya. So, ako din tambag sa mga transgender women is show your true colors and also boost your confidence. And I'm here tonight to speak my voice and to influence other transgender women. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 12. Proud to be the SK chairperson in Mono. And of course, thank you as well for supporting candidate number 12. Down to our 2 candidates, we have here the ever beautiful Ariel. I have a bias because I like your hair. How are you, candidate number 4?
I kind of feel like I'm extra ecstatic and thrilled tonight.
With all the supporters that you have right here, what can you say to them?
I am beyond thankful for you all for coming here because honestly, I was not expecting this. Because I've been working my pasarela for like almost a week now. It's just a week and luckily I slayed it off.
Right, girl, you slayed it off. But do not go crying yet because you still have questions to answer. So now pick a judge. I'd like to open this paper for you. And then we have judge number 2, Miss Mary Ann Alvin.
Hi, you're so pretty. Yan yung bars in the gown.
Thank you. That's an elite compliment, ma'am.
So my question is very simple. What are you most proud of as an LGBT member?
Growing up from this cruel world and society, we have been deprived from the right, especially to express ourselves. I myself, I am a victim of gender dysphoria and dysmorphia. It is the discomfort when you look at the mirror, you feel like there's something wrong in your body. And I stand up here strong tonight to prove to you all that it's not just the physical aesthetics that matters the most. But what matters to me the most is the power. It's the power to give a better redirections for the youth, for a better perspective and persuasion in life. Thank you.
And the crowd goes wild. Thank you very much. Candidate number 4, she is laying back what?
To my father.
Is your family here also tonight?
No, because oh my gosh. Wala ko sila, pare. Ako na sila naman out through online.
Grabe nito high-tech, no? Ang connection na natin sa online. True. I guess you're also ready. I think we have one more judge who didn't ask the question. So you have our judge number 1, Mr. Christian Lausa. Sabio. Sorry.
Alright, so good evening, candidate number 7.
Hello, good evening, sir. Oh, hello.
Alright, so your question would be, can you tell us about the time when you faced failure? How did you handle it and what did you learn from it?
For me, to tell you honestly, I faced that failure with no fear. Why? Because in life, we need to be positive all the time. In order to create a positive impact to ourselves, not just for ourselves, in order to create a positive impact and positive difference to individual. To tell you honestly, I am standing here because a lot of LGBTQ+ community here in our town believe in me and look up to me because they recognize my ability to inspire and transform others. So I believe that to those people who have fear in life or discrimination is not define you. What defines you is your good quality that you can share to the world in order to create a flourishment here to our town and to the rest of the universe. Thank you.